All right, guys, I'm back. We are doing line B on sheet 13. I am going to start with the dictation for measure 1. So you're going to have 4 beats of sound at the beginning of line B. 1, 2, and 3, and... I'll do it again. And 1, 2, 3. Get it written in. One more time. 1, 2, and ready. All right. Get that written in. I'm going to write it in myself. All right, look at measure 2. Your job is to write in the time signature in measure 2. If it changes. If it doesn't change, you don't need to add anything. Okay. Let's look at the next empty measure. That is your 2/4 measure. I'll play that for you now. 1, 2, ready. Once again and ready. Think about it. Get it written down. And third time on that 2/4 measure. 1, 2, and 1, and... Awesome. Okay, so now the 3/4 measure. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Write it down. All right, and the last 2/4 measure. 1, 2, and 1, and... One more time, that 2/4 measure. All right, now I want you to go in under the rhythms that we have dictated, and I want you to write the rhythm underneath them. I'm going to give you a second to do that. Now that you had a second to get your rhythms written in, we are going to check your work there. All right, so in measure 1 of line B, we had 1 and 2, 4. Here we go, so let's write that in. 1 and... Big 2, little and, little 3, little and with a line through all that. And then a big 4, little and with a line. Here, I honestly messed up a little bit. There was this space and I thought you were supposed to write something and I mentioned it. But does the time signature change? Does it? Let's see. Here we go. Big 1, little and, little 2 because it's a dotted quarter. With a line. Big and, because that's the second half of 2. Big 3, little and with a line. So what is our rhythm here, our time signature here? It's not 4/4. It is 3/4. It is absolutely 3/4. Okay? Right here, let's do these counts. So I played ta, 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 ta. That's 1 little and with a line. 2, E, and, Excellent, those 16th notes. And then this next measure was another dictation measure. Here we had to think about the dot. So we have big 1, little and, little 2, with a line through it. Then we had and 3, little and with a line through it. Excellent job. The last measure was 1 and with a line, 2 and 1, 2 and. All right, here we go. Line B, chop and count. 1, 2 and chop and count line B. 1 and 2, 4, 1 and 3, 1, 2 E and a 1 and 3, 1, 2 and. That one is strange. Let's give it one more go. Every measure has a different time signature. So you have to be ready to go from 4 to 1 or 3 to 1 or 2 to 1. So pay really close attention. Chop and count line B and go. 1 and 2, 4, 1 and 3, 1, 2 E and a 1 and 3, 1, 2 and. All right. Y'all are being some rhythm masters out there. Hopefully this went well for you. If not, rewind the video. Try it again. All right. I'll see you tomorrow for line C. Bye, guys.